If your iPhone's side or power button isn't working, here's how to fix it. First, let's go into your settings and scroll down a bit.
Tap on General.
Then scroll all the way down to select Shutdown. You'd be surprised at how many issues can be resolved just by restarting your phone. Sometimes, a bug or glitch can be fixed with a simple restart, especially if it hasn't been powered off in a while. If the side button is still not working after restarting, the next step is to go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode, and don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data like texts or photos. But it will reset your settings to their default values, which can help resolve the issue with the button. Next, let's check if there's an iOS update available. Go to Software Update under Settings and make sure your phone is running the latest version of iOS. Updating your phone can often fix any bugs that might be affecting the side button. If the button still isn't working, there might be something physically blocking it. Try removing your case, if you have one, and cleaning around the button area. You can use something small like a toothpick to gently clean out any debris that might be causing the button to stick.